Somewhere in the wild land behind the school cafeteria, a mighty power awaits.
This is TrashJuice, energy made from plants, scraps, wood, and other organic waste. Over the next few minutes, we're going to break down how this works and why it really matters. And by the end, even the toughest eco-freaks might find themselves hooked on what leftover energy can really do.
Hello eco-freaks, my name is Captain Bio, and today we're going to explore how garbage becomes clean energy. And we're going to make sure that Rom doesn't try to eat any of it. Rom, no!
So why are you all into trash juice?
You know, it's a renewable, like my talent for judging people who don't compost. It keeps waste out of landfill. It turns leftovers into power.
So this is like fuel.
Yes, Ron.
So what is this stuff? Well, trash juice, this revolutionary product, is basically stored sunlight from organic matter. Plants absorb CO2 and sunlight to grow. When we burn them or break them down, that energy gets released.
So you're saying this plant is solar powered?
Technically, yes, Ron. Photosynthesis, remember that?
No.
Trash juice starts with organic stuff. Wood chips, crop leftovers, food scrap, manure. Yes, Ron, poop counts. Algae, and whatever you just pulled out of the microwave. Ron, put that down.
Alright, well here's where things get spicy. There are 4 main ways to turn your trash into energy.
Path 1, combustion. Well, we just burn it. Heat water, make steam, spin turbines, and boom, electricity. It's like a fossil fuel plant, but with leftovers instead of dinosaur juice. Path 2, gasification. We heat biomass, barely any oxygen, and instead of burning it, it turns into syngas, a mix of hydrogen and carbon monoxide. You can use that to power engines or even make liquid fuel.
Syngas?
Like regular gas, but fancier.
Path 3, anaerobic digestion. Bacteria eat out the wet biomass in a tank with no oxygen and burp out methane-rich biogas. It's basically micro poop magic.
We're using bacteria farts?
Ron, it's renewable bacteria farts.
Path 4, fermentation. Yeast breaks down plant sugars and makes ethanol, the same stuff in car fuel, and yes, adult beverages. But don't get any ideas, Rom.
Alright eco-freaks, let's talk cash. Because going green costs green.
How much green?
Alright, if you want a residential biomass heating system, like a pellet stove, you're looking at about $5,000 to $20,000 to install. But wood pellets cost $150 to $250 per ton, which is way cheaper than fossil fuels over time. Which means that you're going to break even in about 5 to 10 years, depending on how much you use it.
So I pay now, save later.
Exactly. It's like buying bulk in Costco, but for the planet.
So why should you choose trash juice over other renewable sources? 2 reasons. 1, it's storable. Solar and wind only works when the sun shines or the wind blows. Trash juice, you can stockpile it, burn it whenever. 2, it recycles waste. That banana peel, those corn husks, that mystery meat from Tuesday, they were gonna rot and release methane anyway. Now, they're useful.
So my trash is treasure?
No, Rom. Your trash is fuel. First of all, you need a lot of organic material. More than what Rom collects when he rakes once a year.
Do it twice.
The second major problem is that trash juice is only carbon neutral if you regrow what you harvest. If you cut down a forest and you don't replant it, that's just adding more CO2 into the atmosphere.
So, plant more trees?
Yes, Rom. Plant more trees. The final major problem is that trash juice still releases pollutants. Particulate matter, nitrous oxide, things that your lungs just don't like. I mean, it's cleaner than coal, but it's still not zero emission. Rom, why? But here's the thing, eco-freaks. Trash juice, it works. Day or night, rain or shine, all you need is organic material. And us humans, we make plenty. Rom, eat the banana, throw out the crust. The plant is calling for you. It wants your scraps, your leftovers, your unused lunch broccoli that Rom keeps on throwing out.
But it tastes like sadness.
This is trash juice, eco-freaks. Renewable, reliable, and Rom approved. It's nature's cycle turned into power. It's zero waste living, and it's turning what you throw out into something that the world can actually use. So compost those peels, collect those wood chips, harness those leftovers, because the future doesn't run on fossil fuels, it runs on you.
Yay!